Hello, my name is Christy, and this is the lesson 13 worksheet for lesson 13 worksheet for 3rd grade. So you have to add all these numbers together, and all the numbers given are in different place values. So this 2 is in the hundreds, this is in the tens, and this is in the ones. So if you're given something like that, you just have to fill in the value and ignore the zeros. So if the 2 is in the hundreds place, then the 2 goes into the hundreds place. The 4 is in the tens place, so the 4 goes into the tens place, and the 3 is in the ones place, so the answer is 243. Similar to number 1, number 2 gives you a number that has a value that's not 0 in the tens place and the ones place. So you put the 7 in the tens place and the 4 in the ones place, and you get your answer. Like number 2, number 3 is the same, 32, 28. Okay, let's try 7 and 12. So 7, you have a number in the thousands place and a number in the hundreds place. And then you need to fill in the tens and the ones place, so you just fill those in with a 0, and your answer will be 2,900. On number 12, you're given a number in the thousands place and a number in the tens place. So let's say thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. So you have 9 in the thousands place and 2 in the tens place. And you have blanks for the hundreds place and the ones place. So you fill those in with 0. So your answer would be 9,020. Okay, next worksheet is dividing. So dividing is like the complete it's not the complete opposite. It's very similar, but it's like the opposite version of multiplication. So if you're dividing 5 divided by 5, you think what times 5 would equal 5. So if you say 5 times 1 equals 5, which means the answer to number 1 is 1. 18 and 2. What times 2 is 18? In this case, the answer would be 9. But if you have trouble doing that, you can draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So you have a total of 18 circles, and you want to divide these circles evenly into 2 groups. So if you or you can divide them equally into 9 different groups, and in order to do that, you would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you have 9 groups of 2, which means that the answer would be 9. Number 3, 10 divided by 2 is 5, 9 divided by 3 is 3, 30 divided by 5 is 6, 45 divided by 9 is 5, 48 divided by 6 is 8, I think. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 8 divided by 4 is also 2. 15 divided by 3, 5. 15, 1, 13, 4, 2, 3, 6, 2. Okay, so these are all the answers, and you can check them with your answers. Multiplication, like always, 2 times 4, you have 2 groups of 4. And if you count all the circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you get 8. So the answer is 8. 9 times 6 is 54. 4 times 3 is 12. 9 times 5 is 45. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 8 is 40. Yes, 40. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 2 is 18. 6 times 5 is 30. 9 times 3 is 27. 6 times 6 36. 9 times 4 is 36 as well. 88, 20, 55, 48, 12, 8, 10, 42. So you can check your answers with the answers that I've written, and you can use this method, although it takes a long time. If you if you haven't memorized your multiplication tables yet, then you can use this method. Okay, last word problems. Kai has 23 crayons. He breaks 5 of them and loses half of the remaining crayons. How many crayons does he have left? Okay, so he originally has a total of 23 crayons, so we'll label that with a C, and he breaks 5 of them. So 23 minus 5 crayons equals 3 minus 5. You can't do that, so you change this into a 13 by bringing a 10 over. 13 minus 5 is now possible, which is 8, and you just bring down the 1, so 18 crayons. So after he breaks 5 of them, he has 18 crayons left, and he loses half of the remaining crayons. So he loses half of the 18 remaining crayons. So 18 divided by 2 equals 9, which means that he has 9 crayons left. Okay, number 2. Lucas has 38 different books. 14 of them are red, 2 of them are green, and the rest are black. How many books are black? So he has 38 originally. 14 of them are red, and 2 of them are green. So if you add those two together, you get 16. So 38 minus 16, because you want to find the number of black, and the rest of the books are all black. So 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 1 is also 2. So you have 22 black books. Number 3, Mark has 4 pennies and gets 2 more from his friends for his birthday. He loses 1 and gives away 1. How many pennies does he have now? So he has 4 pennies, gets 2 more from his friends, minus 1 because he loses 1, and then gives away another 1. So if you solve this, 4 plus 2 is 6, minus 1 is 5, minus 1 is 4. So he has 4 pennies left. Last question. Johnny has 152 pieces of candy. He finds 2 on the floor, then shares 20 with his friends. How many pieces of candy does he have left? So he has 152 originally, and he finds 2 on the floor. So 152 plus 2 equals 154. He then shares 20 with his friends. So subtract 20 from 154. 4 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus nothing is 1. So he has 134 pieces of candy left. This is not working with me today. That says candy. Okay, 134 pieces of candy. Okay, I hope you understand everything now and you were able to check your work, and see you next week. Bye!